Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 2001 to 2010 Silverado Sierra 2500 HD. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Move any lines and wire harnesses from the work area, your spare tire, and remove the vehicle's bed, followed by removing the rear wheels and leaf springs from its hanger. Step 3. Cut and punch out the 16 rivets, 8 on each rail, retaining the crossmember and hanger to the frame, 4 on top, 4 on the bottom, and 4 from each spring hanger. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal, followed by coating the work area with a well-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Slide the new section in between the frame rails while using the frame holes to help with alignment. Ensure the shown opening faces the rear of the vehicle. Insert the included hardware and secure the sections and hangers with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. And you're done.